how to write an irresistible call to action. Your call to action is not a time to be shy, folks. You need to tell your reader exactly what to do, how to do it, and that you want her to do it right now. And here are 5 tips to help you get your reader taking action. Tip 1. Be direct and use active language. Your call to action needs to be short, simple, and strong. You're looking to command the reader rather than gently suggesting action. So use verbs and active language like these. Clean up your inbox. Sign up. Get started today. Click here. Download now. Tip 2. Be interesting. You want to grab people's interest by offering something that solves or even aggravates a problem. Something like join now and boost productivity. Or download this guide and end the pain of indigestion forever. Or maybe your call to action could add a bit of humour like this one from MailChimp, learn more about brains. Tip 3. Use power words. Remember these good old power words? These are scientifically proven to compel people to action. Words like new, discover, act now, and free. So apply them liberally to your call to actions. And don't forget you can download that lovely long list of power words in the Section 1 resources. Tip 4. Hint at urgency. You can improve your conversion rates by making people feel like they could miss an opportunity if they don't sign up right away. So use phrases like this: don't miss out, sign up before midnight, buy now to get free postage. Tip 5. Remove risk. When something is easy to do and doesn't involve any risk, your readers are much more likely to do it. So you can use words like register now, no credit card needed. Full money back guarantee. And here's a nice one from Netflix. Watch anywhere, cancel at any time, join free for a month. So make your call to actions as simple and risk-free as possible. Let's quickly recap. You've just learned why you need to have a crystal clear goal before you write a single word. You've learned the simple 3-point plan to keep your copy on track, and you've learned how to write exceptionally persuasive call to actions. Well done for ticking off another lecture. You're making excellent progress. Now, if you've ever wondered or wished that there was some kind of magic formula that would make writing copy easier, then I'm here to tell you those formulas exist and they're waiting for you in the next lecture. So click on and I'll see you there.